So this seems like a good a time as any to start the next New Zealand video. We're here on the side of a road. I just wanted to give you a little update on what's happening. Basically, I didn't talk to you guys yesterday because it was all driving. I drove from the Mount Cook area to literally the other side of that mountain range, but it took about 6 hours. If there was a tunnel or something through the mountains, it would have been like 2 hours or something like that, but I had to drive 6 hours around the mountains. But that's New Zealand for you. And we got here to Fox Glacier last night, and yeah, it was an eventful day. It was pouring rain the entire time. As soon as you cross the divide of the mountains, the entire landscape changes. It changed to this. It feels like Hawaii. It feels like we're in a rainforest or something right now with these crazy mountains and all the fog and everything. But we're still in New Zealand. We're just on the other side. We're on the rainy side of the mountain range. So yeah, it's a pretty crazy place right now. But yesterday, like I said, it was pouring rain the entire day, and I actually drove, right when this happened, drove past a guy who kind of fell off the road. A guy, his car drove off the road. It kind of like hydroplaned or slipped off the road. And I drove right past it right when this happened. It was pouring rain, so I pulled over and ran up to the guy. He was okay. The car was completely sideways. It almost fell into a river. And yeah, so I went into the town and got him a tow truck and helped out there. And then we got to Fox Glacier, and now it's another long day of driving, but we're driving through this incredible place, and we're ending in St. Arnaud. We're ending there. There's a nice photo to have of a dock in that location. And yeah, it's just basically a long day of driving. So I'll talk to you guys when we stop next. So this is probably a good place to talk to you guys. We've driven about 3 hours since I talked to you guys last. Now I'm stopped along the coast towards my next destination, and look at that view. Beautiful. I just flew the drone here, so hopefully you guys will see that. And yeah, now I got about an hour along the coastline here. Then we're driving about 2 hours inland to that town that I mentioned earlier, which has a nice photo spot for sunset. So again, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so guys, this is another decent time to talk to you because we're in a beautiful, I don't know why I keep saying we. I guess by we, I mean me and you guys, the camera or the viewers. But we are in this beautiful gorge here on our way to the town, and I just need to stop and stretch my legs and everything. I had a little subconscious like moment before. Probably about 30 minutes ago, I came to an intersection where I was going this way towards the St. Arnaud, and there was a hitchhiker there who had his thumb up and going the same way as me, and I didn't take the guy. I felt bad because he looked like a nice guy after I passed him, but from far away, I just didn't feel comfortable with a hitchhiker tagging along. Yes, I have room in the van and it could have been fun, but I don't know, just with all the camera gear and me being on my own, I just didn't feel comfortable with taking a hitchhiker yet. So I guess I got to do more traveling myself for that, or I don't know, maybe not have like $5,000 worth of camera stuff with me and somebody else's van. So yeah, I didn't feel comfortable taking a hitchhiker. I was a little upset like with myself that I didn't take the guy because he looked like he was standing there for a while, but hey, what are you gonna do? So yeah, like I said, we're stopped at this gorge and now I'm gonna keep driving. I got about an hour to a campground and then hopefully get to that dock for sunset. If not, I'll probably do it for sunrise or during the day tomorrow. So this is probably a good time to talk to you guys because I'm at camp, and yeah, I didn't get to that town with the dock and the lake like I mentioned for sunset tonight. It was still about another hour further than when I stopped, and I had driven pretty much all day. I got some awesome drone footage of the coastline. It looked like Jurassic Park out there. It was really cool. And yeah, I just figured it was enough photography and video for the day. So that's gonna be it for today and probably this video. So this was a little glimpse of the west coast of New Zealand from Ariel's perspective, and yeah, I'll start another video tomorrow. I don't know if I'm gonna do sunrise or not. It's kind of been a boring few days here doing driving, and I have more driving to do tomorrow, and then I'm gonna get up to the north coastline of the South Island before I get the ferry over to the North Island. So maybe I'll make that into one video, and this will be its own standalone, basically aerial drone video. So yeah, I guess that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys in the next video from New Zealand.